Did you know a man once faked his own death so well that even his own sons believed he was gone forever? In 2002, John Darwin paddled his canoe into the North Sea and simply vanished. His wife Anne called police in tears. Search teams found his broken canoe washed up on shore. After a year of searching, John was declared dead. Anne collected £679,000 in life insurance money. She played the grieving widow perfectly, even convincing their two sons that Dad was really gone. But here's the twist. John was living in the house right next door the entire time. The couple had connected their properties with secret passages. For 5 years, John hid in plain sight while Anne maintained the lie. Their plan almost worked. They bought new identities and moved to Panama to start fresh. But when their son got suspicious and did a simple Google search, he found photos of his supposedly dead father buying real estate in Panama. Police raided both properties and discovered the elaborate setup. The case changed how Britain investigates insurance fraud forever.